we're gonna compare two rooms. This one, Resort King but with the fountain view, and a new renovated room that Bellagio just started selling in April 2021. Let's see what we're gonna like better.
Today we're gonna have like a special video. We compare two rooms, renovated and not renovated room in Bellagio. Let's start. Right now we are in not renovated room with the fountain view. And here we have two chairs, but in new one we have just one sofa. Here we have a working station. With one chair you can sit and work here and see Bellagio fountain view. But in renovated you have a dining table with two chairs. I don't know, it's a good or bad. Leave a comment below your opinion. What do you think about this room? Let's move around. And mini bar. Different between this one and new one. We don't have here shell for your champagne, so your champagne should be in another place. So a new room has on this side door to walk-in closet. You can open and go inside in closet, but here's the wall. Let's go to the bathroom, and here instead of walk-in closet we have a shower. I like this more than new one because you have a shower and bathtub. Here we have just one sink and one big mirror. The renovated room has two sinks and two separate mirrors. I like more new design. And let's go to the most important part of this room. Do you remember this guy? Yes, it's exactly the same as new one. Same iPhone 4, same design. It means same old. Only this room has fountain view, as new one has pool view. It's so sad.
If you have Bellagio fountain view suite, please wait till the very last one at midnight. It's the best. It's just like crazy.
So babe, are you excited about fountain view?
Yeah, I'm always excited about the fountain view. It's super cool. Look, we've got it like up front, the more central view. And now let's explore common grounds.
So beautiful hall, but we have this stuff here. Another was there, and one more here. So guys, we are back in 4 hours and we still have everything here, yeah?
Yeah, so they don't seem to clean that much, but the rooms are clean.
Yeah.
But not here.
Hello. Yeah, thank you.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was.
And so Bellagio has invested pretty much like $100 million into renovation of its main tower, but renovated Premier King rooms are now only on 2 floors, 27 and 28 floor. The remaining floors are still old ones and the rooms looks like this. So I actually love about this room is that the bathroom still has a bathtub and a separate shower. They're a little bit smaller, but you still can enjoy both of the worlds if you like them. And here what's the most important part is the view. So you have this beautiful fountain view if you would like to, but new renovated rooms don't have it at this moment. But at the same time, everything that probably was wrong about this room is fixed in the new renovated one. So the colors are much brighter and lighter because this one is dark blue and heavy. And also you have a new larger TV, you have a better station, you have a new mini fridge with a small shelf that they market that it's super important that you have a small shelf for your own champagne or your own produce. And you also have a larger and brighter bathroom and white marble, and everything is so white and bluish, and it resembles the design of the Bellagio fountains, water, sun, sunrise, sunset, wherever you call it. And that one actually looks a lot better, and you can feel that simple luxury that we all expect from Bellagio. So which one did you personally like better? Leave a comment below and let us know if you'd prefer to stay in a new renovated room or still use this one. And subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you next time. Bye bye!